uNkulunkulu mayefuna ukuraise my voice does not need ukuthi ngihambe ngokopisha somebody else and become a TD Jakes in South Africa. He would want me to be who I am so that they could use me as I am. Because uNkulunkulu does not need abantu abaqualified. He needs the available people. So that ezokwazi ukubasebenzisa bezavela kuye njengoNkulunkulu. And one man that availed himself, it was Apostle Paul. From where he is writing, he was speaking the church farewell. As the so he is speaking to the leaders of the church. He speaks this word, which I want my son to take very seriously. He says this word, Uguti, angizange ngesabe ukuntshela lonke iqiniso. Angizange ngesabe ukuntshela yonke injongo kaNkulunkulu. Angizange ngisabe ukuntshela lonke uhlelo lukaNkulunkulu. It's challenge yabantu abamepulpit, abantu ababubuso, abantu babenovalo. uNkulunkulu is raising men and women that are not going to look to the face of men but look unto God. Abantu abangazusaba, bangazusatshiswa. Abantu abasoma iqiniso whether it's right or wrong, whether it is appreciated or not appreciated. Oh, hallelujah. uNkulunkulu is raising such generation. We will respect people, but we are not going to fear them. Because God has not called us to fear men, but to respect them. Hallelujah. And so Paul says here, I'm saying to you that now, there are people who are going to come here, they want to support us financially. Then Paul says, I'm sorry. Speak the truth and truth alone. Hallelujah. Without buying any favor from whosoever. We are not preaching them to keep them. We are preaching them to surrender them to God. So stand tall. You are short by stature, but when you stand here, stand tall. Hallelujah. Number two, you must understand to motivate people only. We do motivate them, but God does not call us to motivate them only. The actual need of men is to reconnect with God. And and the whole plan of God surrounds uNkulunkulu ufuna abantu abagamabo azolotshwa encwadini yophila. uNkulunkulu ufuna abantu abazonga bathi linamandla levangeli akuphona namahloni ngalo ngoba linamandla kaThixo. Ngokukhuluma lona kuzophuma umuntu esomweni aphile impilo ehloniphekile impilo uNkulunkulu ayidingayo. Don't be afraid to evangelize. uNkulunkulu akasibizelanga only to teach but to evangelize. Masivangela sishayisona. Usesishayipela nje solo usesishayipela solo. Shayipela nje solo indlo izwo ukuthi ugcina kuphuma ububi. Kusala kuphinde empilweni yomuntu. Hallelujah. Kusho ukuthi ke mntungu uzokubeka amathende around here. Yes. Kukahle ngiyabonga kakhulu inceke yenkosi. Chairperson when you say that's very good. That's very good. But also as a pastor in this church, don't only depend on the don't depend on the events. Okay, my event. So good event. It's not for the events. kungena abafundisi beshintshana la kungama-events abantu bazogcina bengalizwanga iphimbo lakho, because God has not called them for this church, He has called you for this church.